Hey guys, come on, let's make some oatmeal. Yes, this morning I really wanted something nice and warm, something that makes you feel like a nice hug inside. So I had my oatmeal there. I put it into the pot. I went in with a bottle of water. There we go. We're gonna stir that up. Then I'm going in with a piece of cinnamon stick. Then I'm gonna grate some nutmeg. There we are. Yes, guys, grate some nutmeg. That's my fresh nutmeg from Grenada. Yeah, shout out to all my Grenadians. Yes, yes. There we go. So put in my nutmeg and gonna cover it, but not all the way apparently. I'm doing this voiceover now. There we go. Then I went in with some coconut milk I had there. And we're gonna stir that up a little bit and then we're gonna cover it again. Okay, so now I had a little bit of sea moss because let me tell you, so much sea moss when I go to Carrico. Okay, so I have so much sea moss and I did not put that one to soak before, so it's still a little bit on the dry side. So I'm gonna cook it to try to get it to be nice and soft. And there we go. I put it into the pot already. Then I went in with chia seed and one is one is chia and one is flaxseed. And so I had flaxseed by itself, and then I had a mixture of chia and flaxseed. Okay, so there we go. Then I mix it in, put it to boil for a bit. Then I'm actually gonna blend it because remember I'm going in with the evaporated milk now. Got to go in with the evaporated milk. So now I'm going to stir it, let it cook for a little bit. And I'm actually going to blend it. I'm going to take out the cinnamon stick and I'm going to blend it because remember the sea moss is in there and it needs to be blended so that it can it's not going to get soft enough. Okay, so I'm going to blend it so that it can really be all into the porridge and all that. Anyway, yeah, so that I'm gonna use my Ninja to blend it up and I'm gonna re-add it back into the pot. And yeah, because I lost my last clip, I wanted to show you what the porridge came out and how I ate it. So I lost it, but let me tell you that guys, this porridge was so good. If you want, you can go in at the ending of it with some sugar or some condensed milk or whatever. I didn't. I ate mine with some pumpkin seed and some raisins, dry raisins. So the dry raisins gave it some a little bit of sweetness and stuff like that. It was really good. Okay, so do go ahead and guys, and I would try it. Let me know what you think about that combination. I went with a little bit more of cinnamon powder and I grate a little bit more of nutmeg on it. And let me tell you, that was so good. It was really good. Okay. Anyway, that's it for now. Remember, my last clip is me singing in action. So I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. Bye guys.